My name is Richard. I'm a nutritionist. So basically what I do is help farmers increase their productivity and profitability. So for most farmers, the biggest cost is feed. Because in farmlands or in agriculture, feed contains or feed costs up to 80% of production. So yes, feed cost is the biggest cost in production. So yesterday when I was passing, I saw the booth of the company. I saw phones lined up. So in my mind, I was like, what's a phone company doing here at NIPOLI? Because NIPOLI is supposed to be an animal-related conference. So a friend told me, oh, go check it out. And I did. And I saw what they had to offer. Basically, what they are telling you and what they are offering is helping you save cost. So in animal nutrition, we have this saying that when you can save cost and increase production and increase productivity and increase profitability, you are making profit or your business is growing. So this company, Aviarai, I hope I got that correctly, is going to help you save cost in helping you with your feed conversion. It's going to help you with your daily weight gain and average weight gain. So what stood out to me was when they showed me a section or sections in their booth that they were able to save over 60% for farmers in their cost of production. So that means that a farmer who puts 1 million in their production for feed will save up to 600,000. What could a farmer ask for? This is what a farmer needs. A farmer needs guidance to make sure their business scales. So Aviarai is a very good innovation that will help the farmers scale up to where they need to be and make more profit.